If you're looking to use PartnerStack for white label affiliate programs, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this powerful platform to scale your affiliate business with ease. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage PartnerStack's tools from setting up your program to tracking performance and how it can boost your revenue. Stick around because I'll also share how you can get started for free with an exclusive bonus. PartnerStack is an affiliate management platform that allows you to manage, scale, and optimize your affiliate programs. What sets it apart from other platforms is its white label capabilities. This means you can brand the platform as your own, giving your affiliates a seamless experience that aligns with your business. If you're a brand owner, PartnerStack helps you run affiliate programs without the hassle, allowing you to focus on growth. To get started with PartnerStack, the first thing you need to do is sign up. You can create your account for free through the link below and gain instant access to the platform. Once you've signed up, it's time to set up your program. PartnerStack allows you to easily configure your white label affiliate program. You can customize everything from your affiliate landing page to the emails your affiliates will receive. Setting up your offer is straightforward. You simply create a new campaign, define your commission structure, and decide on the type of program, whether it's pay-per-sale, pay-per-click, or pay-per-lead. One of the best things about PartnerStack is the flexibility it offers for different kinds of affiliate programs, including recurring payments. This is huge if you're promoting subscription-based products or services. The next step is to invite your affiliates. You can either manually invite them or let them sign up directly on your custom-branded portal. PartnerStack makes it easy to track affiliate performance through real-time dashboards. You'll be able to see how well your affiliates are performing, and the platform automatically updates commissions and payout structures. For white label affiliate programs, the branding options are key. You can tweak everything from the platform's color scheme to the logo, creating a unique experience for your affiliates. This helps to build trust and gives your affiliates a professional environment to work in, which in turn encourages better performance. When it comes to payouts, PartnerStack supports different methods, from direct bank transfers to PayPal. You can set up automatic payouts for your affiliates based on their earnings, which saves you time and makes the process hassle-free. PartnerStack also offers a global payment solution, meaning you can pay affiliates anywhere in the world, which is a great feature for businesses that operate internationally. Another feature that makes PartnerStack stand out is its reporting capabilities. With detailed analytics, you can get insights into everything from affiliate performance to the conversion rates of your campaigns. This data is essential for tweaking your strategy and ensuring that your white label affiliate program is growing effectively. Now, if you're a first-time user, don't worry. PartnerStack offers helpful support and guides to get you started. Whether you're stuck on how to create a campaign or need assistance with setting up your payment structure, their team is there to assist you. And here's the best part. You can start using PartnerStack for free. Yes, you heard that right. By using the link in the description, you get access to an exclusive free trial along with some special bonuses. This will give you a risk-free way to explore the platform and start building your affiliate program right away. Remember, PartnerStack makes running white label affiliate programs incredibly simple. With its powerful features, branding options, and easy-to-use interface, you'll be able to launch and scale your affiliate business in no time. Make sure to check out the first link in the description for your exclusive bonus and extended free trial. Start building your white label affiliate program with PartnerStack today and watch your affiliate business thrive.